Hi, good morning student. Today we are going to learn about the mechanism of hormone action. What's the meaning of mechanism of hormone action? Means hormone, we are going to learn about the two types of hormone. One is known as the proteinaceous hormone, means which hormone is made up of protein. How the protein hormone perform the function inside the target cell, and how that lipid or fat hormone, means which hormone is produced from the steroid or fat, how this hormone perform the function inside the target cell. And this thing hormone is always perform the function in the target cell. Means if I tell, suppose FSH is secreted from the pituitary glands, FSH is secreted from the pituitary glands, it's not perform the function on the pituitary glands, it always perform the function in the gonads. Okay, means from pituitary glands it mixed in the blood by the diffusion and it's act on the target organ, means on the gonads. Okay, so proteinaceous hormone, FSH is a proteinaceous hormone, means it is made up of protein. Okay, FSH is made up of protein. So this proteinaceous hormone is large in weight. Okay, this proteinaceous hormone is large. This proteinaceous hormone is large size. Okay, so it cannot enter inside the target cell. What is the target cell? Target cell is the ovarian cell. Okay, it's help in the growth of the ovary. You have just read it. FSH secret from the pituitary glands and come in the ovary and help in the growth of the ovary. How perform the growth and how target cell stimulated by the FSH? We are going to learn this thing only. Understood? How FSH secret from the pituitary glands and from pituitary glands is mixed in the blood and tell the ovary, yes, please quickly perform your function, so you just grow in its size. Now you already came to the mature adolescence period, so that's the time for the growth of the ovary, so that it's produce the ovum. Okay, now you know this is large in size, so this proteinaceous hormone cannot enter in the targets. Okay, in the target cell, what's the target cell? Ovarian cell. This is the cell membrane of the ovarian cell. In the cell membrane of the ovarian cell, there have the receptor. Okay. This hormone, which hormone? FSH. FSH bind with the receptor. FSH bind with the receptor which is present in the ovarian cell. Okay, when FSH bind with the receptor which is present on the ovarian cell membrane, it produces a response. It produces the response. Suppose आपका घर का दरवाजा में कोई आदमी आया, तो आदमी ऐसा है पी पा के आया और आप उसको घर में एंट्री करने नहीं देंगे, लेकिन आने के बाद कुछ दे के चले गए, है ना, वो रिस्पॉन्स आपका घर का अंदर में छोड़ के चले गए. अंडरस्टूड or not? So this hormone cannot able to enter inside your home, means inside your ovarian cell, but it gives the response when it binds with the receptor. This is known as the fast response. Hormone gives the response inside the cell. This is known as the fast response. Understood? Then, due to this fast response, another messenger system will be regulated or generated. You look, generation of second messenger system. What's the second messenger system? There have the two second messenger system. One is known as the CAMP, cyclic adenosine monophosphate, and another second messenger system is calcium 2+. Due to the fast response, these two messenger means this response have to carry inside the cell. Okay, suppose one person is come at the door of your home and you just carry the response, yes mother, this person came to my home. You just meet with this person and convey this message inside your home. Understood or not? this CMP and CA2 plus convey the message, convey the fast response inside the cell. Understood or not? Then you look, when this response is conveyed by the CAMP or CA2 plus, how it will convey? When CAMP and CA2 plus get the fast response when we produce, when hormone bind with the receptor of the ovary. Okay, then due to this fast response, CAMP will awake and or CA2 plus will be awake, and it's convey the message inside the cell. And when this message is convey inside the cell, biochemical response means chemical changes take place inside the cell. And due to the biochemical response means what? Cytoplasm content will increase, protein synthesis will increase. Okay, so without protein synthesis, how cell will be increasing its size? Understood? Or start the cell division, so that ovary will enlarge in size. Okay, then you look biochemical response, and due to the biochemical response, physiological response or ovarian growth. Understood? So what is the main thing? Proteinaceous hormone is large in size. It cannot enter in your home, means it cannot enter inside the target cell. It just bind on the surface receptor of the target cell, produce the fast response. Due to fast response, second messenger system will be activated and convey the message inside the cell. Due to this message, second biochemical response will take place and physiological response will take place, so that ovarian size will increase. Okay, so figure क्या है? Diagrammatic representation of mechanism of protein hormone. Understood? Then student, we are going to learn how the steroid or lipid hormone perform its function in the target cell. Try to understand. So one of the lipid hormone is estrogen. Estrogen and progesterone are the steroid hormone. It is produced from the steroid. Steroid is a particular type of lipid. If in your body there have the no lipid, then this hormone, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone for the male body and estrogen and progesterone for the female body will not produce. Okay, so you know estrogen and progesterone can able to enter inside the targets, because cell membrane or plasma membrane is made up of protein, lipid and protein. There have the lipid bilayer. Okay, so it can diffuse inside the cell. It is also lipid. It is also lipid bilayer. You know now. This is made up of lipid bilayer. Lipid and protein. So look, lipid hormone are not such large in size as compared with the protein. And second thing, cell membrane is made up of protein, lipid and protein. This is made up of lipid bilayer, so it can enter inside the cell. Okay, lipid hormone estrogen act on the uterus. यूटेरस का इनर वॉल को क्या करेंगे? यूटेरस का इनर वॉल और एंडोमेट्रियम को अच्छे से बनाएंगे. क्यों? इम्प्लांटेशन के लिए और प्रेगनेंसी को मेंटेन करने के लिए. प्रेगनेंसी को फर्टिलाइजेशन होगा तो जाइगोट फॉर्मेशन होगा. जाइगोट के बाद आफ्टर द जाइगोट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एम्ब्रायो, एंड एम्ब्रायो ब्लास्टोसिस इज इम्प्लांटेड इन द इनर वॉल ऑफ द यूटेरस. ओके, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? So this hormone enter inside the cell membrane. Then from cell membrane to it go. This is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm will go to the nucleus, and it also enter inside the nucleus. Okay, understood or not? Inside the nucleus there have the receptor. Inside the nucleus there have the receptor.
उसकी मम्मी कॉल कर रही है. घर जाने.
One. This is the receptor. This is the receptor. This is known as the receptor for the lipid hormone. Formation of hormone receptor complex. This is known as the hormone receptor complex. When hormone receptor complex is formed, it go to the DNA. It go to the DNA. This is the DNA. DNA to this is the chain. DNA to formation of RNA. And RNA to फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आरएनए टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन। देखो हार्मोन रिसेप्टर कॉम्प्लेक्स बना, रिसेप्टर इसका रिसेप्टर कहाँ है, न्यूक्लियस का अंदर। हार्मोन रिसेप्टर कॉम्प्लेक्स बना, ये हार्मोन रिसेप्टर कॉम्प्लेक्स किसके साथ बाइंड किया, डीएनए के साथ बाइंड किया। डीएनए के साथ बाइंड किया तो डीएनए से क्या बना, बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्शन डीएनए से क्या बना, आरएनए। डीएनए टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ आरएनए, आरएनए टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन, आरएनए टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसलेशन, आरएनए टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन हुआ तो
खुद का स्कूटी में ना
ठीक। चलो अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
यस सर।
डीएनए टू आरएनए, आरएनए टू प्रोटीन। In that way, steroid hormone perform its function.